Hi, my name is Donia Android. Welcome to an easy and fast-forward tutorial on how to set up Suffolk wireless printers on your Mac machine. This video is complementary to the written instructions provided by the SOI library on how to set up the printers. But if you are a visual learner and not so much of a techie, you will like the visual portion better. Note that if you are connected to the SU guest, you might not be able to connect to the printer. So I highly suggest that you connect to the school's internet as a SU student. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to connect. So down here we have the SU underscore student WPA2 network. So this is the one we're going to select. So I'm just going to click on that one. The username and the password for the network should be the same as your email sign-in. So I'm going to go ahead and type mine in. Make sure you check the Remember This Network box. The reason why we should check it is so that you won't be prompted to do the step every time you're trying to print a document. So now I'm going to go ahead and join the network. Also, it is important to know that whenever you change your email's password, you have to repeat the step we just did again every single time you change your email password. So now let's begin. The first step on this tutorial is installing the Papercut client. To do so, I'm gonna click on Go, then press Connect to Server, and I already have my server typed in. Note that PC client, the P and the double C are capitalized. So I'm going to go ahead and press connect. Just waiting. So now we're going to press connect again. And again, we have to type in the same name and the password that we used to log into the email. So I'm going to go ahead and type mine in. Again, we're going to check the box. Remember this password, my keychain. Then we're going to connect. And now we're going to use the Mac folder right here. We're going to double click it. And we have to install the client install and the PC client. To do so, I'm going to double click the client install. And we're going to say yes. And it automatically shows down here, which means you have it installed on your computer. So now we're going to double click the PC client, and I would suggest that you copy and paste it on your screen. We're going to wait a little bit just so it can copy to the desktop. This might take a few minutes, but that's okay. Just wait until one is fully loaded. Okay, so now that we have installed the PC client, we're going to go to the second step, which is adding the printers. To do so, I'm going to go ahead and open the system preferences, and then I'm going to click printers and scanners. So now to add the printers, we're going to click on the plus sign, and we're going to use the advanced icon. Note that the advanced icon, it's not already there. To add it to your computer, you're going to double click the mouse, select customize toolbar, and then you're just gonna press and drag the advanced icon, and done. So now we're gonna double click advanced. So the type should be Windows printer via spotless, and then the URL should be smb colon slash slash srv-print.adm.suffolk.edu slash. Library has a lot of printers, but the main ones that are mostly used are main01, main02, and main03. The main03 underscore CL is the one that prints color. So now I'm going to go ahead and add the library main01. So we're going to name it library main01. So we're going to choose a driver and we're going to choose generic PostScript printer. And then now all we have to do is add. And we're going to check the duplex print unit. And then we're going to press OK. So here we have the printer Mano 1. Now we're going to add Mano 2. We're going to do the same thing again, double click Advanced, and we're going to type the URL again. So now we're going to call this one library main 02. So now we're going to choose the driver and we're going to select generic post print. So now we're going to press add, and again we're going to check the duplex print unit, press OK. But I'm going to show you how to add the color printer. So we're going to press the plus sign again, click Advanced. So we're going to change the type to Windows Printer via Spotless, and the URL is the same as we use for the printer Mano 1. So I'm just going to go ahead and paste mine, but now we're going to call it library main 03 underscore CL. Note that the CL is capitalized. So we're going to go ahead and name it, and we are going to name it library main 03 underscore CL. And we're going to choose a driver, which is generic post print printer, and we're going to add it. Check the duplex print unit and then press OK. And now we have library Mano 1 and library Mano 3 score CL, which is the one that prints color. So now the final step is testing the printers. To do so, I'm just gonna open a random web page and we're gonna print it. I'm just gonna come and press print, and I'm gonna use Mano 1. Let's test Mano 1 and see if it works, and then press print. So it worked. It's gonna show you a little page where it tells you how much it costs and how many pages you printed. So all you have to do is press print. And now this is the message that tells you that the document is ready to print. So this is it. This is the final step. And you're all set to go.